It's no secret that work is broken. Complexity is embedded in organizations everywhere, creating inefficiencies that kill business performance. Celonis finds and frames inefficiencies by x-raying business processes. ServiceNow fixes what's broken by modernizing, remediating, and enriching how work flows. Let's check it out. Rachel, the claims management leader, uses Celonis to track the company's performance with a real-time overview of the business. She sees the touches per claim metric has been trending in the wrong direction. This has a direct impact on labor productivity. She asks Marcus, a business analyst on her team, to find and frame the top inefficiencies. Marcus investigates the high touches per claim rate. Using Celonis, he creates an execution graph of the process, exposing system and user interaction data in a visual graph. When expanding the graph, Marcus gets a full view of how work actually flows. This is what broken work looks like. Marcus goes one level deeper to frame the business impact of top inefficiencies. With just a few clicks, Celonis helps him understand the quantifiable value of fixing the problem. Marcus turns his attention to the medical records review inefficiency. Celonis shows him how different records are requested and then reviewed, crossing a variety of systems. This is a highly manual process, and the sheer amount of variation tells Marcus that the underlying systems don't support the process. Marcus turns to ServiceNow to create a modern workflow that layers on top of the systems to standardize how medical records are processed. To follow through on this, John, the claims analyst, logs into ServiceNow and opens a high-value claim exception. Within this exception, he sees a playbook that guides him through the necessary steps from reviewing the claim to requesting additional documentation to closing out the request, combining human-in-the-loop tasks with powerful automation. With ServiceNow, John not only processes more claims faster, but also has a better experience doing so. He no longer needs to shift between multiple systems to collect, request, and review all the documents. Marcus turns his eyes to the coding mismatches and efficiency. Celonis shows him that claims with coding mismatches require more touches and take longer to adjudicate. Coding errors occur mostly for low-dollar claims. Given that coding is a manual effort, this problem should be remediated if found. Marcus now creates an action flow in Celonis that automatically performs plausibility checks of CPT and diagnosis codes to detect treatments that do not align with the underlying condition. When mismatches are detected, Celonis initiates a ServiceNow workflow to orchestrate provider communication and claims correction to allow for proper adjudication. Let's fast forward 3 months and compare. We can see that the workflow fixes implemented in ServiceNow really helped streamline the process. Work is flowing much better than before. These are just 2 examples of how Celonis and ServiceNow will find, frame, and fix broken work. Together, we align everyone in the organization on a common goal, that is to perform at levels never thought possible by simply making work flow.